The old hometown looks the same as I step down from that old train. There to meet me, Lord, was Mama and Papa. Down the road I look, and there run Mary, hair of gold and lips like cherries. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Yes, they've all come to meet me, arms are reaching, smiling sweetly. Lord, it's good to touch the green, green grass of home. The old house, yes, it's still standing, and the paint, it's cracked and dry. But there's that old oak tree that I used to play on. Down the road I look, and there runs Mary, hair of gold, Lord, and lips like cherries. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Oh, when I awake and look around me, all I got is 4 gray walls that surround me. And you know, I realize that, Lord, I'm only dreaming. Well, there's a garden and a sad old padre. Arm in arm, we'll walk at daybreak. Again, I'll touch the green, green grass of home. Yes, they'll all come to see me in the shade of that old oak tree. When they lay me, it's the green, green grass of home. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. Thank you. Right now,